So here are cleaver seeds, also known as goosegrass. Tiny little seeds with hairs all over them, so they stick to your clothing quite well. They've stuck to all of my clothing. So I've laid these in a baking tray and I'm going to bake them for 45 minutes at 160 degrees in a fan oven or 180 degrees Celsius in a normal oven. And by then they should smell nicely of coffee. So I've got a lovely old coffee grinder, hand grinder, so I'm going to just put the cleaver seeds in here. And grind them around, and hopefully there'll be some nice cleaver coffee that will come out of it. Okay. So there you go. Cleaver coffee, freshly ground, ready to make into a hot drink.